If you think small bikes are boring, the 2026 Honda SL125 is about to change your mind. This lightweight machine brings back classic trail vibes with modern reliability, and honestly, it's one of the smartest choices for daily riders right now. After years of riding different bikes, I can tell you this one feels simple in the best way. The design is clean, slightly retro, but still fresh enough to turn heads. It's not trying too hard, and that's exactly why it works. You get a comfortable, upright position, easy handling, and a bike that feels friendly the moment you sit on it. Engine and performance. The SL125 comes with a small but efficient 125cc engine. Don't expect crazy speed, but that's not the point. This bike is smooth, reliable, and perfect for city riding or short off-road adventures. It delivers solid fuel economy, which means fewer stops at the pump and more time on the road. Ride and comfort. One thing I really respect is how easy this bike is to ride. The suspension handles bumps well, and the lightweight frame makes it perfect for beginners or anyone who just wants stress-free riding. Whether you're commuting or exploring side roads, it stays comfortable and controlled. Features and value. You get the essentials here. Simple controls, durable build, and low maintenance costs. This is the kind of bike that doesn't break your wallet and keeps running for years. That's something I've learned to value after riding for over a decade. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda SL125 isn't about speed or showing off. It's about freedom, reliability, and everyday usability. If you want a bike that just works, this is a solid choice. This video is for informational purposes only. Specifications and features may vary depending on region and updates from the manufacturer. Always check with your local dealer before making a purchase decision.